So, back to the question, how should they all perceive this change to act in alignment as a collective? It's really the core of the vision that's going to carry this in the beginning. It will develop over time, sure, but now, right now, it's the core and the essence of the vision that has to be communicated, that has to be made meaningful, so that people not only vibrate around it and feel its resonance and get excited about it, but they can actually see it and feel it in their own lives. Ultimately, this is a vision about our daily lives, the fabric and the feel of our daily lives. That's where it has to end up. That's what it's about. Because we want each day to feel better, yeah? We want each day to feel better. So we need that. But if people are going to act, so not just feel excited, but actually feel that they want to do something, they need this invitation to come in and make a contribution themselves, to take part of the vision, maybe it's just one part of it, and run with it and start to take ownership around that.
Imagine for a moment, Jonathan, if one of the responses was for anyone listening at a particular time to leave and go forth speaking the truth. That's an individual action that combined would help realize that part of your vision. So there are things, we're going to get into those things in the upcoming Unified Questions, specific requests you can make of them to do that.
Yes.
I'm not convinced you've answered this card yet.
No, and I don't think I can answer it fully yet. There are big leaps coming now. I sense an acceleration in the cards and the thinking here, which feels right and normal and necessary,
Yeah. Well, what would be at its most basic a perception they could all share when you start to talk about your vision? Cite your vision again, please.
Today, we break with the past and stand together on new ground. And on this new ground, we build a shared home where all of us belong.
Based on that, what perception could they share right out of the gate that you would need them to share to respond to that? Where are they now, and what could they perceive could be?
I would want them to feel a sense of promise, an opportunity to build something new and to build that together.
Okay. And underpinning that is the perception that...
A fresh start.
There you go.
A fresh start.
Yeah. Whatever is now doesn't have to be. We can change it. We can have a fresh start and build something better. If they came away with that, to start with, that shared perception.
Yes. As an emotional response, you would think, well, great. It would be more than enough.
Yeah. To spark. We're talking about
spark. Yeah,
to
absolutely.
Intrigue.
Yes.
That would start to create a perception in them that ultimately would compel them to act to help you ignite. Again, underpinning that is the implication that they can participate in it, that there's something they can do to help change it. It empowers them. You talked about the power of the words. This is about empowering them to act.